In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add link in Instagram bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap right here at Edit Profile, and that's where you can easily find your bio. You can easily get into it, and all we have to do now in order to add a link here is just tap right here and then tap at Paste. That will paste the link from your clipboard to Instagram bio. After that, just don't forget to hit add done. And then if we go back to our profile, we can see that link over here. Unfortunately, the link is not clickable. If you want to add clickable link, just tap at Edit Profile, then get into Links, then tap at that plus next to Add External Link, then paste your URL here. You can give a title for that URL, just like that. Then tap at done, and if you go to your profile now, you can see that clickable link over here. That's how you can easily add link in Instagram bio. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.